Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to add password in your iPhone 15 Pro. So let's get started. So first of all you need to go your settings. Just tap on your settings. When you tap on it, a new interface will open on your screen just like this. Here you can see an option of Face ID and passcode. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see a new interface. Here you can see an option of Turn Passcode On. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see here you need to enter a passcode. Okay, and in passcode options you have to choose to select an alternative locking method. You can enter you can tap as your type. Here just select your password, just enter your password and verify your password, and now your password has been activated. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.